Most homeowners and small business owners should expect to pay plumbing technicians somewhere between $25 and $50 per hour for general repair work, while licensed master plumbers handling skilled or emergency jobs often charge between $60 and $125 per hour. The exact number depends heavily on experience level, location, and whether the work is scheduled or an emergency call. Think of plumbing pay like a ladder with three main steps. At the bottom, you have apprentices who are still learning and usually earn the least because they work under supervision. In the middle are journeyman plumbers who have passed their tests and can work independently, so they charge more for their time. At the top are master plumbers who have years of experience and often own their own business, which is why their rate is the highest. Something a lot of people do not know is that many plumbers do not actually charge by the hour for smaller jobs. Instead, they use something called flat rate pricing, where they quote one total price for the whole job no matter how long it takes. This protects both the plumber and the customer because the plumber is not tempted to work slowly and the customer knows the total cost before the work even begins. One common mistake is only comparing hourly rates without asking whether that rate includes a service call fee, since many plumbers charge an extra $30 to $75 just to show up before any work even starts, so always ask for the full breakdown before agreeing to anything. Another mistake is hiring based on the lowest price alone, which often means hiring someone without proper licensing or insurance, so always verify a plumber's license number before letting them start work. People also forget that emergency or after-hours calls like nights, weekends, or holidays usually come with a higher rate, sometimes double the normal price, so it helps to ask about emergency pricing ahead of time, so you are never caught off guard. If you need help with a project, you can search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app, JobBit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you directly, and offer their estimates.